Stop scrolling. This message is for you. You're not behind. You're building strength in silence. Every quiet effort counts. Every small step matters. You don't need permission to begin again. You don't need applause to keep going. Some days surviving is the win. Some days showing up is courage. Trust this. What you're growing now will make sense later. Keep moving. Keep believing. Your future self is already proud of you. If this spoke to you, like the video, save it, and share it with someone who needs hope today. Follow for daily motivation.